Not sure how to use your Midea AC remote? Model number RM12D, in this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The orange on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The display button toggles the LED display on your AC's indoor unit on or off. This is useful if you want to reduce light at night or make the display easier to read. Press first to use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Each press lets you adjust the hours and minutes until your desired start time is set. The direction button lets you manually adjust the airflow direction of the AC louvers. Each press changes the angle of the air output so you can direct cool or warm air where you prefer. When you press the silent button, the air conditioner switches to ultra-quiet operation. The fan speed reduces automatically, and compressor noise is minimized to create a peaceful environment. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off, perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Pressing the vertical swing button moves the louvers up and down automatically, helping distribute air evenly. Press again to lock them at your preferred angle. Pressing the horizontal swing button controls the left to right movement of the louvers, spreading airflow evenly across the room. Press again to stop at your preferred angle. The electric heat button activates the auxiliary electric heating function, available only on compatible heat pump models. Pressing the follow button lets the AC sense temperature from the remote's location, ensuring more accurate comfort where you are. To lock your Midea AC remote, simply press the electric heat and horizontal swing buttons together once. This locks all remote functions. To unlock, press the same buttons together again. You'll hear a beep, and the lock icon will disappear from the screen. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.